Is my lash look like it's coming off? Because it is. Hey, it's your girl Bahamianunicorn back again with another video. This video is going to be a full face of dollar makeup. I did a video like this before, but that was me. That's the first time I discovered Miss A, and I was really early onto YouTube, and that video was long and boring. So I wanted to do an updated version. What I'm going to do now is use a primer. And I got the Wonder Skin Illuminating Primer, which is Edie's. Lately, I've been using the Touch and Soul primer that I got in my Boxycharm. Why is this leaking already? Okay, so I'm just going to put that there and there. So now I'm gonna go into my brows. So I got two products from Miss A. I always use the sculpting brow pencil, and this is the shade Ebony. So that's it comes with the pencil and it comes with the spoolie. And then what I also use is the brow pomade, the Wonder Brow tinted brow pomade in the shade Ebony as well. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. I am now going to conceal them. I have 4 concealers from Miss A. This is their Wonder Cover Concealer, HD Concealer, and I have 4 colors. They all look pretty similar, I know. I'll carve it out. I'm going to use one of the sponges. The Wonder Blender, this, and I'm going to blend it out. I went with the Zuri Liquid Foundation. These are the colors I got. So red, right? This is freaking orange. After I worked so hard on my brows. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to go in with Suede to hopefully fix this. Super fast. I'm going to take the Wonder Blender and blend this out. Hopefully after this, the AOA setting powder, which I'm going to go in with warm. Take the same sponge and I'm going to press it right in. What I am going to do now is use my pressed powder. I have one from AOA that I used to use all the time. It would be the Amber Bronze, but I'm pretty sure I am not this shade anymore. And I'm going to use that to lighten up my contour. This is the Muse eyeshadow palette. This is in the palette Paradise. Okay, so this is how the yellow turned out. I am now going to go into the liquid liner that I got from them. Also another go-to of mine. Now we are going to do mascara, and I got the Fat Lash mascara. I'm going to do the mascara. Okay, so what we are doing now is lashes Amelia, Stella or Stila. So we're gonna go with Stila. While the lashes dry, I am just going to touch up my face with powder. What I'm gonna do now is I have two highlighters. AOA Perfect Pressed Highlighter. I have it in the shade Fortune, which is this pink one, and I have it in the shade Gilded, something like that. So what I'm going to do is they came out with some diamond glosses a while back, and this is in the shade 24K, just to go along with the whole yellow theme. And I'm going to just put some 24 karat on my lips. I'm going to use the Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist with argan oil. And this looks oil and water don't mix. And you could clearly see that here with how it looks. Trying to get it to focus. Yeah, you could see it. That's the oil to the top. And just try that. And I will be back with my final thoughts. Well, my updated thoughts on the Miss A brand. Obviously, I love Miss A. I still use their products from the first time I got it, and I have ordered about 3 or 4 times since. So my makeup collection consists heavily of Miss A products. It is heavy with Miss A. Why is my lash look like it's coming off? Because it is. Right there. Right there. Let me fix that. If your lashes are already on and they start to come off, or they didn't go on properly, and you've already have the rest on, take a bobby pin, put some glue right to the tip, and then go under. And you can either put it on your where your liquid liner is, or right under the actual eye. Oh, what's it called? It's hot. Under the actual eyelash. Wait a couple seconds and then push it right back down. And it works like a charm. So the foundation and the primer was doing the things I had a problem with. The eyeshadow was smooth and creamy, pigmented. I always use the eyebrow products. If you follow me on Instagram at Bahamianunicorn Reviews or at Bahamianunicorn, you would see that I always use the AOA pomade and eyebrow pencil. The shadow I loved. I always use the liquid liner as well. I always use the lashes if I'm not giving lashes, or if I haven't bought lashes. The lip gloss is not too sticky, but it's nice and moisturizing, and it's glossy, and it has a nice look to it. The setting powder I use on and off, I love it. It's nice. What else? The highlight I always use. I used to sell it as well, so I love that. The mascara I love as well. I love everything except the foundation and the primer. but I do love their stick foundation that they that they no longer have. For some reason it's not been restocked, but that is it. I would put the links down below to everything I have in this video. I will link my last my first Miss A haul video above. That was so funny. That was one of my first YouTube videos. I have now gotten better with makeup and better with the YouTube thing, so go watch them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. And do not forget to always be you, because nobody else can. And don't go broke. Especially can't go broke, because all these things on my face is $1. Pop styling for these niggas. Bye.